Is this thing on? Can you hear me? Just gonna have to hope for the best. Oh my gosh. You're still following me. You're obsessed with me. You're obsessed. You're obsessed. You're just follow me around. Okay, so it looks like the battery is gonna die in a few minutes. The battery of the gimbal. So I should probably charge that, charge the camera, check if that footage is working with the mic, and then I can set everything up and we can start back. Good morning. For what? What's up? I'm traveling tonight. Vancouver. Okay, now we're talking. Hello, beautiful people. Hello, hello up there. Hello down here. All right, now let's actually pack, cause I've mostly been playing. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? All right. I really hope I don't forget anything, like being so preoccupied with these toys right now. I could easily forget something, so let's just hope. Let's hope. Boom. First compartment, packed. Does it look cuter if I have this on? A little bit brighter. As you can probably tell, I'm a little bit obsessed with this follow feature, as well as the sound. I just checked on the footage from the little trial that we did over there from the corner, and the sound is amazing. But you probably already know that because you're watching this in retrospect. I really thought I would have too much stuff. What else am I gonna be packing with me? I do have a backpack for my laptop and notebook. Gotta have a period, bro. Because, beautiful people up there, beautiful people down here. Hello. We are almost fully packed. This belt was up there. Also want that. Need our dragon belt. Towel. Although I'm pretty sure there's gonna be more things to put in here. Bath stuffs. So I'm actually gonna fold that out a little bit. It's nice out. It's very nice out. It's a little much, to be honest. It's a lot. It's too much. I just want to say how well timed that was. Man's just turned on his lawnmower like, girl, nobody needs to hear you say, okay? You done said enough. You done saying. You done spoken. You done said. I just want to say how grateful I am for not just these gifts, but for all of you guys, for your presence, for your vulnerability, for your openness, for your dedication to truth and love and making the world a better place. I'm just so grateful for you and for everything that we've built together and everything we're continuing to build and everything we're going to be doing in the days and months and hopefully years to come when I'm no longer a smoker. I wanted to quit smoking in 2022. Like, I've been wanting to genuinely quit, like genuinely wanting to quit since 2022. On New Year's Day of 2022, actually, my grandmother passed away. She died of COVID, and she was already sick for many reasons. COVID just kind of finished her. She was a big smoker. And essentially, when she died, her lungs pretty much collapsed. So that year, I promised myself that I would quit smoking for her. Even though she never wanted to quit smoking. Everybody kept trying to get her to quit. She never wanted to quit. She was a very stubborn, very hard-headed, very powerful woman, my grandma. Oh, there we go. Thank you, lawnmower man. Where'd you go? What happened? Sir, I was supposed to be the focus here. Wow, I really hope I don't forget anything. That was true. Thank you guys so much. I love you. I appreciate you. Thank you for all these gifts, especially this little guy, those mics, like a whole new level of creativity. It feels like it's about to be unlocked for me. Maybe it's already been unlocked. Actually, I think it's already been unlocked. I mean, look at me here, just talking to you, talking to this camera. What's so great about this is that it moves. It moves. It feels like it's alive. It feels like you're here with me, watching, interacting. Love you. Mwah. Ah, you're still here. Still trying to get my attention.